Well, hello friends, my name's Antonio and welcome to Back at the Ranch. So Pablo and I have been hanging out here for the last day and a half, and so far we got a turkey, got a bobcat, and seen a bunch of deer, seen a bunch of turkey, and a whole bunch of other stuff. He saw a coyote as well, which he didn't take a shot at. But today we're going to be doing a quick review for you. It's been a while since I've done reviews, and I think the last time I did a knife review was here. But this one caught my eye. This is a budget knife for you guys. So this is an Ozark Trail 7-inch folding knife, and it just says on it 3-inch stainless steel blade. Doesn't state what type of steel. 4-inch polypropylene plastic handle. It does have a liner lock, and it has a pocket clip, which you can see right here. So looks pretty cool as far as the design and the packaging is concerned. These are pretty new. They haven't had them at Walmart for too long. Let me cut this open real quick and see what we got here. I could not find my good scissors, but my toolbox had these little old scissors from when my daughter, I think, was in kindergarten. And she's grown up and moved out of the house now. So, as a matter of fact, you know what? I didn't even have to do that. Look at that. I can just cut it right off. I would just cut in the line because it said cut the line here. So let's take a look at this. Okay. Interesting. Let's clean off the dust. That's a pretty cool looking knife. It's got a nice weight to it. Nice little finger hold right here. You notice it does kind of curve out there, which is interesting. It looks like it has the thumb flip and the finger flip right here. So we'll test that flip out in a second. That's it right there. The knife is not reversible. The flip is not reversible, but I mean, this is a $6 knife. You can't expect too much out of it, right? Let's check the sharpness out of the box real quick. So just got a sheet of paper, and I've specifically brought paper for you guys to do this, because when I don't do sharpness tests, I get it in the comments. So let's see. That's pretty good. I'm not holding the paper quite right, but it is cutting through. Not a problem. Always I'm running out of blade space. Okay, that was me, not the blade. Let's see. So it's working. It's sharp. So let me go ahead and close this real quick. See, there's a liner. So the blade is definitely not centered, but again, for $6, you expect it to be. I don't. This is really a little beater. Oh, doesn't flip easily. Looks like it has little plastic washers in there instead of bearing. It doesn't state that it has a bearing, so let's see. So you have to kind of flip it. I think a little oil actually would probably get that working. So yeah, I think the thumb is going to be no. You really can't push it with a thumb either. So maybe push here, then finish it with a thumb. That's probably why it has two. That makes sense. So it's a pretty sweet little knife. For $6, that'd be a great stocking stuffer for those dads and people that like knives. Basically, as long as they're 18 or older, that make a great one. But it didn't stop there. Right next to it on the shelf was this, and the description is 7.5-inch folding knife instead of 7-inch folding knife. So this one's a little bit longer. Looks like it has a tonto blade. This one does say in the back 3.25-inch stainless steel blade with titanium coating. Titanium coating? Okay, I guess you could coat with titanium. 4.2-inch polypropylene, I said it right this time, plastic handle, liner lock, and pocket clip. And it basically says the same thing. It's just a little bit longer knife. And well, I don't need to cut it. Let's see if I can pop it out. Yep, rip it right out. And this one does feel a little bit lighter weight than this one, surprisingly. I think because this one has the metal inserts, a little bit more weight to it. This one's lighter, but the plastic feels a little more substantial. There's a little bit of flex in the plastic, not too bad. The lock is the same, the thumb studs are the same. This one does not have the back flipper, it only has the front thumb studs, right? It also has just the one side belt clip. You have the lanyard hole, which I didn't check the other one. Yeah, the other one has a lanyard hole as well. So let's show them both, each side right there. There you go. Comparison. See how this one flips real quick. Yeah, same thing. It's not gonna flip real easy, but again, affordable knife. This one's about $8, so it costs a little bit more, but you know, you've got the blade in the front, you've got the blade in the bottom, so that's pretty cool. Pretty cool shape right there. Also has plastic washers in there. These are a lot smaller though. Little bit of play. I didn't check the play on the other one. Let's see the other one. This one doesn't really have play. This one, little tiny bit. I mean, I don't know if that shows up on camera, but you could probably tighten it down a little bit. I mean, you have hex screws, Allen screw heads, or star screw heads. Actually, it's a Torx screw head, looking at it more carefully. But let's see how this one does with paper. This one is a little bit longer blade, so there goes. So it cuts good. I mean, again, it's a $8 knife, right? So what do you expect for $8? You know, these are some nice little beater knives. Worth checking out. Holidays are here. $6 and $8. I know there's a whole bunch of other ones in this lineup, but these were the two that they had. I bought these 2 or 3 days before Thanksgiving, before Black Friday. And today is Saturday, by the way. Black Friday was yesterday. But you might want to go check these out. Again, they carry these at Walmart. You can find them online as well. Ozark Trail. Not the greatest quality knives, but great stocking stuffers, great little knives to carry in your pocket, you know, and use for whatever. You know, it's like if it breaks or gets dented or something happens, you know, it's not going to be the end of the world. Or maybe you're out with some buddies and they need a knife, and you can just flip it out and say, here, use this one. And you say, you know what, keep it. They don't know what it costs. So great little gift knives. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little review. Again, nothing fancy, but caught my eye. Figured I would share with you guys. And we'll see you next time. Back at the ranch.